Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at the newest oven technology from Samsung. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Consumers are always looking for the next convenience to make their lives easier, and cooking can take up a lot of your time. The new technology ranges and ovens will blow you away. The days of basic oven that you just turn a knob and get heat are over. Even the most basic ranges now have solid-state control boards, hot surface ignition, and other components that save energy and make the ovens more energy efficient. Today we're going to take a look at the Samsung 30-inch Flex Duo range with dual door and Wi-Fi technology. What makes this oven special is the dual door that gives you ultimate cooking flexibility, with 2 independent temperature controls and convection systems. This lets you cook 2 different products independently at different temperatures. When cooking multiple dishes in one oven, you're mixing different odours together, which can affect the flavour, and you have to cook them at the same temperature, which is not ideal when one of the items requires higher or lower heat. If you choose to not need independent cooking areas, a special hinge gives you access to the full door, allowing you to access the full oven compartment. And now how's that for convenience? The distinctive blue LED illuminated knobs lets you know if your cooktop is on, even from across the room. As for the cooktop, true dual power burners offer powerful and precise cooking with 2 independent heating elements. Although this technology will set you back anywhere from $2,000 to $2,500, it will let you do many things that a standard range cannot do, especially if you're doing a lot of cooking. Other features include a 22K BTU true dual power burner, Wi-Fi connectivity, soft close dual doors, a very powerful cooktop with 5 gas burners, a wide view window to see what you're cooking, reversible cast iron griddle, auto oven lights that comes on and off, and more. Though this oven is one of the newest products on the market, all technology eventually needs repairs. ApplianceVideo.com has a complete video series on the Samsung Flex range. See the link in the description below. Hey, if this video helped you, then why not like the video and subscribe to our channel, because I'll see you in the next one.